Hi guys, Samsung Galaxy M11 and M01 set to launch in India on June 2nd. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. So we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M01 are set to launch in India on June 2nd. Flipkart revealed through a couple of teasers. The e-commerce site also confirms that both the new Samsung phones will be available for purchase shortly after the official launch. So, if we talk about the price of both the phones, the Galaxy M11 will carry a price tag of Rs 10,999 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage model, while the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage option would be available at Rs 12,999. The Galaxy M01 on the other front is rumored to be priced at Rs 8,999 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant. If we talk about the specifications of both the phones, the dual SIM Samsung Galaxy M11 comes with a 6.4-inch HD Plus display with a hole punch design and is powered by an octa-core SoC paired with up to 4GB of RAM. The phone comes with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor with a f1.8 lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 lens. There is also a 5-megapixel wide-angle shooter that has a field of view FOV of 115 degrees and an f2.2 aperture for selfies. The handset offers an 8-megapixel camera sensor at the front along with an f2.0 lens. So, the Galaxy M11 comes with micro SD card support to enable storage expansion up to 512GB. For connectivity options on the phone include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. There is a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and a 5000 mAh battery that supports a 15-volt fast charging. If we talk about the details and the specifications of the Galaxy M01, the Flipkart teaser reveals that the phone comes with a dual rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor. There is also a 4000 mAh battery. If we look at some earlier reports, the Galaxy M01 would come with a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with a water drop style notch and a 19.9 aspect ratio. The phone is also said to have an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB onboard storage. If we would offer a 5-megapixel selfie camera. So, what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech news and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel and take care.